Welcome, follow me is a VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app. So for me it's right over here. Once you open it up, you should see all your contacts in here. So disregard it, they are, or at least the ones visible here, are all on the SIM card, as you can gather based on that tiny little icon next to the letter with the number 2. That is the SIM tray slot 2. So to actually import them, we're going to tap on the 3 bars right there, go to settings, choose import, let's allow, and we're going to import from uSIM2, that's the slot that it is in. Press next, import it to phone contacts, so yes. Now obviously there sometimes might be more options. As an example, if I were logged into a Google account would be one of the options I could import to, but because I'm not, it just shows me the phone. So anyway, let's tap on next, and you should see all your contacts right here. So you could select all of them if you wanted to. Now unfortunately it looks like there is no quick way to select all for some reason, so you just kind of have to tap on them. There we go. So once you have selected every contact that you want to import, simply click on OK, and there we go. We have now imported our contacts. So unfortunately they will be repeating right here unless there's some kind of settings to not show the SIM contacts, actually just the ones that are on the phone, but you can quickly distinguish which ones are which one based on the fact that these ones have a number and the imported ones that are on the phone do not. But that being said, that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.